Hey guys, welcome to another hotel tour video. Today we are at the Riu Antillas here on Palm Beach on Aruba. In this video, we're going to be taking you all around the resort, showing you all the amenities, and also stay to the end. We will be taking you to the neon party, which happens every Friday night. So let's start off here for the Riu Antillas. These are the villa rooms. The villa rooms have their own pool, exclusively only for the guests in these specific rooms here. And we'll head over here. Now, this may become loud. They do have a lot of loud music here at the Antillas. There is definitely a party vibe going on almost every day here at one of the pools, or there is some type of activity. So we'll just show that there. Adults only, over 18 years old, and they actually have security here, making sure that you have to have a bracelet to get in. This is the bar and sort of lounge area here. They open it up later on in the evening. This is where they have the lunch buffet. So this area here is where they have the lunch buffet. Usually like burgers, hot dogs, chicken burgers, nachos, and stuff like that. Let's head over to the pool. This is an outside bar here. There is also a bar inside of the pool. This is the towel hut here at the Riu. So, large pool on this side. Over here, they're doing some aqua aerobics right now. They have a volleyball net here. There's some waterfalls over here, which are quite nice. And if you pan over here, this is the swim up bar. This is sort of like the party pool during the day. There's seating in the inside there, which is quite nice, and little seating along the sides here as well. And as you can see, this is an infinity pool that's located right on Palm Beach. Okay, so now this here inside is also a lunch buffet called the Malmak. And I just wanted to mention that this place here that serves the lunch is also the steakhouse in the evenings. And the Malmak lunch buffet is also the Arubian restaurant in the evenings. These are a la carte restaurants that you need to book ahead of time. Okay, let's head over here. And before we head inside, I'm gonna show you a quick glimpse of the gym. It is open from 7 a.m. to 8 p.m. Hopefully there's nobody inside. So a little workout area here. And quite a number of machines for everybody to use. Yeah, so that's it's a quite adequate gym. And then just to let you know, through there are change rooms and showers and bathrooms. Okay. Let's head out here. We're gonna head inside. And this is the first floor here. This is where they have all the shops and different stores. So just to mention quickly, right off to the side, there's the Palm tours, Jeep tours, UTV tours, sailboat tours, submarine. We did do a what they call their afternoon delight tour, where we went snorkeling the Antilles Shipwreck, which was wonderful. They also have Aruba photo here, where they'll do flying dress photos. They do wedding photos. They'll put you on the beach. So this is the Tradewinds store. They've beautifully decorated this. Wow. Okay. So again, in here you have beachwear that you can purchase. They do have some necessities in case you forgot them at home, like batteries and cell phone cases and stuff like that. But they also have, they also sell alcohol here, chocolates, there's chips, and different drinks as well. If you wanted to buy a beer or a Gatorade for those electrolytes, obviously. And then, of course, they do have all the suntan lotions and creams and different things that you might need. I'll just quickly show you around the store. Well, it is definitely a beautiful store. I'll show you now back into the hallway here. We're gonna go across the hall. This is the Aruba store by Tradewinds, so by the same company, but they do have other items here, like little souvenir trinkets that you can take home, beach clips for your towels, beautiful little turtles, love those. And yeah, just different types of souvenirs that you can pick up and take home with you. They also sell some alcohol here as well, which is quite nice. Okay, so that was the Aruba store by Tradewinds. This is one of our favorite places here. This is the Aruba Aloe. They make products, creams, gels, everything like that. Their After Sun, the After Sun lotion that they make is absolutely a necessity. If you come to Aruba, visit the Aruba Aloe store and purchase the After Sun. It is an absolute necessity. It's right here. Please buy at least that one bottle. And then if you severely burn, get one of these. This is medicine in a bottle here. Okay. So before we head up the stairs, there is a store here called Half Moon. They do silver jewelry, so you can pick up something here if you like. I'll just show you the, there we go. Yeah, different trinkets and necklaces and bracelets and rings as well. Okay. As you can see, they do have a lot of stores here. Here's another one. This is called Eva. This is, I believe, ladies' swimwear. Lots of ladies' swimwear in here. They sell sandals, there's hats, there's a bunch of beachwear here as well. Some beautiful cover-ups if you want as well. Okay, down here, there is a bunch of different tour operators where you can get all your information about your trip when you come and stay. There is a national car rental as well. Okay, from the first floor here, we're heading up the stairs. We're gonna be entering the main lobby of the Riu Palace Antillas, the adults-only, all-inclusive hotel. So we're just gonna walk around. So this is the front lobby area. Obviously the front door is right there. And as we walk in, you'll notice the front desk, check-in desk is right over there. There is a bar lounge area on this side. So check-in area is here. I will point out There's a casino there. Table games, slots. We're just gonna go around here and do this. Rimini is the Italian restaurant. There is Cristal, which is a French restaurant, as well as the other two that I showed you outside. Piano in the lobby here as well. There's another side of the of that lobby bar. And as we head over here, this is their 24-hour lounge. We love this place. They have a whole section here. It hasn't opened yet, but they have hot foods here all day long, usually. I think it starts later on in the afternoon. And they have sandwiches as well. They do hot dogs, hamburgers, different things. Beer on tap, soda if you want. And then this is their coffee shop. And the coffee shop, there's also pastries. In the evenings, they have cakes and different things. You can also pick up some tea if you like for your room. Okay, we're heading over here. This is the Atlantis Buffet. It does not look like they're going to be open for lunch. No, they are not. They open for breakfast and for dinner. Dinner starts at 6:30. We've had the buffet here. It is very good. And then this is the Disco Pasha. We were here sort of last night. I don't know if I took any footage or not. And then as you head out the door here, this is where they're setting up right now for the Riu party, neon party / white party. They're going to be doing a whole event here. As you can see, this is what's going on.
6.5 hours later.
That's so cool.
Mammy, look at her friend's shoes.
Are you ready?
Are you ready?
Welcome to the Riu party here. Let's head inside and see the neon and the craziness that's going on.
Let's go!
Ladies and gentlemen, that's the idea. Speed up! Now, ladies and gentlemen, are you guys ready to start the party?
Thanks for watching. If you're new to our channel, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And make sure to check out all the rest of our Aruba series videos as well. Thanks.